Patsy Cline, strawberry wine, fiddles and a steel guitar, long live needle drops in a jukebox in a hole in the wall dive bar.
Long live late night drives in a short bed Chevy, holding that pretty girl close, listening to the radio. Long live country music, long live long necks, bar stools, neon Saturday nights. Oh, long live country music, may that three-chord dirt road soundtrack to our lives never die. Long live rodeos, dusty boot soles, two-stepping on a hardwood floor. Long live the cover band, rolling in a white van, kicking off swinging doors.
Here's to that teenage kid learning B&D songs on an old pawn shop 6-string, with a head full of honky-tonk dreams.